Hi everyone, in this video we will learn how to make text bold in Microsoft Word. For that, select the text and you have three options. Means while selecting you can see this B, bold. Click on it, see it became bold. Again click, it will become undo. And same way in home you can see B out here. Click on that, it will become bold and again click, it will become undo. And same way you can use another way is select it and click on Control B. See, it became bold and click again. See, it became normal. This is how you can make bold text in Microsoft Word. Thank you for watching, guys.